Hola, ¿qué tal? I am la profesora Zapata. If you are looking to learn some Spanish or even enhance the skills that you may already have, you have come to the right place. Welcome to my first video, El Abecedario. Again, welcome everyone. A fun fact before we get started. Did you know that there are over 540 million Spanish speakers worldwide? This makes the Spanish language the fourth most common language around the world. Muy importante. The Spanish language, it's not as difficult to pronounce as you may think. The Spanish alphabet has 27 letters. 22 are consonants and 5 are vowels. Learn the pronunciation and begin to speak Spanish with better intonation. I have been a teacher of the Spanish language for over 20 years. This will be the way I will approach the sounds of each of the letters. When I repeat the sounds, I am trying to mimic an English speaker pronunciation. I think that will help you memorize them better. Let's get started. A, animal. B, beso. C, casa. D, dedo. E, elefante. F, fresa. G, generoso. H, this is a silent letter, so we will not pronounce the letter in a word. We will say hora. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. I, isla. J, jirafa. K, koala. L, luna. M, manzana. N, nido. Ñ, ñandú. O, oso. I, J, K, L, M, N, ñ, O. P, perro. Q, queso. R, ratón. S, sol. T, tomate. U, uvas. V, vaca. W, wapiti. P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W. X, xilófono. Y, yo-yo. Z, zorro. X, Y, Z. That is the end of our alphabet. However, we do have the three other sounds you see on your right. That is the ch, ella, re. That's when you double that R. And usually that sound comes in the middle of a word between two vowels. Here we go. X, Y, Z. Notice how the Z is pronounced like an S. However, if you were from another part of the world, of the Spanish-speaking world, like Spain, that may sound different. The sounds on the right do exist, but they are not letters by themselves. Che, ella, re. These letters, depending of where you've studied Spanish or who you speak to in the Spanish-speaking world, may be named differently. The V, you can say B corta or UB. Remember, the sound comes from your lips. The W is W or W. The B, you can say B larga, like a long B, or you can say B. The sound also comes from your lips. And the Y, you can say J, as I mentioned before, or you can say Y, Y. Remember, the V is not the same sound as you would pronounce in English, meaning a word like vaca, your sound comes from your lips. You should not say vaca. It should be vaca. We have come to the end of our practice of the alphabet, el abecedario. If you have any questions or suggestions, you can always email me at laprofesorazapata@gmail.com. I welcome any questions or suggestions that you may have. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you learn and practice makes perfect. Remember, if you like this video, share it with other people and like and subscribe. Ciao, ciao.